Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create and restore snapshot for our blob storage in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on storage accounts. Here you can see we have one storage account with the name of my test storage 009224. Click on it. Here we have created one container. In storage data, click on containers. Here you can see we have one container with the name of my test container. Click on it. Now here you can see we have three different files in our container. Choose all these files. After choosing files, click on create snapshot. As you can see, our snapshot is created successfully. Now if anyone accidentally delete any blob, for example I am going to delete demo.txt file. For this, click on delete and click on OK. Here you can see our deletion process is failed because we have created a snapshot for this file. That's why this file is not deleting. Hope you like this video. See you next video.